The world has not yet had time to move away from Tesla's smart car, and recently Elon Musk amazed everyone with the launch of the Tesla Model Pi. When is the release date? What's the functionality? We will answer all these questions and others. 2021 did not pass by Elon Musk. Every day in search engines, people ask the same question: is Tesla releasing a phone? Yes. Tesla Model Pi smartphone is going to launch soon by Tesla. This smartphone will be more stronger, smart, and fast with many features. We all know that Elon Musk always comes with something extraordinary or something unique than others. Then we can relate that this Tesla's Model Pi smartphone is not going to be a simple smartphone at all. Tesla's smartphone designer is Antonio de Rosa, an expert who has created exciting concepts for Apple products. The designer will make the phone in honor of Tesla and Starlink SpaceX. Many gadget market researchers note that the Tesla Model Pi looks like an iPhone 12. For example, the smartphone has 4 cameras in a square frame. The phone's sides are rounded with a silvery tint. The Tesla Model Pi smartphone is expected to be equipped with a quality 4K screen, a cluster of 4 cameras with the main camera of 108MP resolution, powered by Snapdragon 898 SoC chip, and has up to 2 terabytes of flash storage. When creating a smartphone, the developers used modern Tesla technologies. Tesla Model Pi smartphone comes with Neuralink feature. This feature allows you to control your smartphone without touching it. It is fully controlled by your brain. It catches the signals from your brain to control the smartphone. Neuralink intends to develop the link further to help people with neurological disorders and disabilities. It could potentially be used to restore physical mobility, the firm noted. The phone will support Starlink satellite internet. The developers will declare that the data download speed will be up to 210 megabits per second. Using a network of 1,000 satellites spanning the globe, Starlink seeks to deliver broadband internet services to rural or other low-density population areas. Users can use smartphones to mine Marscoin cryptocurrency. The phone will enable crypto mining for Marscoin, the crypto and governance coin behind what settlers on Mars will need, according to Elon Musk. Thus, people will be able to earn virtual money by mining on their phones. Considering that the Tesla car has taken a huge place in the market and is becoming more and more popular thanks to its capabilities, it becomes clear that the Elon Musk phone will revolutionize the phone market. Tesla's smartphone will follow in the footsteps of its big brother, the car, and win users' hearts. Are you excited for the launch on the Tesla Model Pi? Let us know your thoughts on Tesla's new smartphone in the comments section.